including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, and Bolivia. In Bolivia, the Amazon is in the north, in regions like Bando, Beni, and North de La Paz. 2. Climate and environment. The Amazon is hot and raining all year. There are many rivers, big trees, and a lot of plants. Many animals like her, like jaguars, anaconda, like pink dolphins, and parrots, and monkeys. The Amazon is one of the most important ecosystems on the world. 3. Environment problem. A big problem in the Bolivian Amazon is deforestation. People cut down trees and farming and coal destroy the home and many animals and affects the climate. If we don't protect the Amazon, many species will disappear and global warming will get worse. Thank you for listening. We must protect the Amazon and all planet. Bye bye.